Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Vietnam. Good morning from Vietnam, guys. Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. I got sea, I got mountains, and I got you out there in YouTube land. Welcome to this channel. And guys, make sure you watch this video to the end. We're going to get the tips and tricks. And it looks like Dogecoin Shiba Inu are getting ready to blast off, guys. I think we're going to see a huge blast off for both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin soon. Looks like Bitcoin is over 63,000, and we could see $66,000 incoming pretty soon, guys. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so please understand that you got to do your own risk management as always. And remember, you've got to do your own due diligence, and remember, you've got to study the project paper. Just don't ape into projects because people on Twitter and YouTube are saying it's good. You guys really have to do your own research, guys, because like I said, it's your money, it's not my money. You got to do what's right, and you got to do what feels right for you guys. So it's a glorious day here in Vietnam right now. You can see I've got the mountains over there. I've got the sea over there. I even got the new Hilton Garden going up over there just across from me. So I'm on the 23rd floor, guys. So it's looking pretty peachy keen, and things are looking pretty good, guys, and God bless each and every one of you. So let's jump into the content without further delay. Yay. So it's a great time to be in crypto right now. We're seeing that crypto is starting to move up. Things are looking pretty bullish, guys. So guys, don't forget to go back and watch some of my previous videos. Elon Musk all in on Doge. Get rich, it's happening, and it's happening, guys. It's happening right now. So guys, get ready, it's happening. Looks like the crypto market's coming up. We had the Van Eck ETF yesterday that popped off yesterday. So it's looking pretty good from that perspective. And that's also one of the catalysts that helped Bitcoin go higher and higher. So, overall things are looking good. And we could see, all-time highs coming in again pretty shortly for Bitcoin. We see all-time highs coming in for Ethereum pretty soon as well. Hopefully, Ethereum can get over that 41, that 43.90 area. And so let's jump into it, guys. Let's jump into it without further delay. So we're seeing right now that the trending coins on CoinGecko. See, these are the top coins that have been searched on CoinGecko, and that's Polkadot Bridge, Kuma Inu, Shiba Inu, Wonderland, and Near Protocol. So we've got Polkadot Bridge is ranked 788 on CoinGecko, Kuma Inu 798, and Shiba Inu 11, and Wonderland 130, and Near Protocol 36. So these are some of the top trending searches on CoinGecko. So guys, keep an eye on that. These things might be taking off soon, and we can see that right now. Shiba Inu, it looks like it's consolidated a little bit yesterday from when it went down. It looks like it's preparing to pumpity pump. So we're still waiting for that Robinhood announcement coming out for Shiba Inu. Hopefully it'll come out pretty soon, and that'll be a good thing, because the good thing about Robinhood is it's a very easy platform, so that allow more people to get into Shiba Inu and allow more liquidity. Similar to what happened with Doge, right? Because once Doge was listed on the Robinhood platform, we saw the prices of Doge go uppity up. So right now, you can buy Shiba on a whole bunch of platforms, but by far Robinhood's the easiest. And we're still waiting for those crypto wallets. Where are the Robinhood CEO? Where are the crypto wallets? Where are the crypto wallets? We need the crypto wallets right now. We need the crypto wallets. So we're still waiting for that, and hopefully that's going to happen. So the top trending coins on Twitter right now, the positive mentions right now are CLR, Joe, and SCRT, and most engaged. So we're seeing that in terms of social engagement right now, we're seeing that Shiba is the most socially engaged right now, and the most influential tweet is FTM. Phantom, guys. So the top 10 most mentioned cryptocurrencies on Twitter right now is Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin in the house, Ethereum, Zcash, Solana, Phantom, Kaidan, and Chainlink, and then finally Verlask, guys. So keep an eye. The Shiba Inu is still blasted off in terms of social sentiment, and also mentions on Twitter, as well as Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is actually, people are more interested in Dogecoin right now than Ethereum on Twitter. So that's interesting, guys. But look, Phantom seems to be taking off right now. Take a look at Kaidan. This is not financial advice. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Don't forget to smash the likes. Go down there, smash the likes. Subscribe, BYB in the house. Do it now, guys. Subscribe. subscribe, leave a comment, and guys, try to leave positive comments. Don't be so salty. You guys should be happy, right? You guys should be happy out there in YouTube land because crypto's taking off. Crypto's making some moves. You know, Saturday Night Fever. Hey, Saturday Night Fever. All right, guys, and also too, we're seeing that the Treasury is to give SEC considerable authority over stablecoins like Tether. A report says so. Remember, we had this whole President's Working Group that we're going to look at crypto, right? So the President Working Group on financial markets, convened by Treasury Secretary Yellen Felon, is reportedly ready to release its report. And it seems like earlier this year, questions were swirling, you know, regarding the prominence of Tether and other stable coins. And the U.S. Treasury Janet Yellen called a snap meeting of financial regulators. Remember that? They went to the Hill. The goal was to develop a game plan for regulating 130 billion asset class, which is stable coins. So the Treasury Department will let the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Gary Gensler in the house, Gary, is going to be leading in regulation for stable coins, which is Tether USDC, according to Bloomberg report today, based on anonymous sources. So somebody leaked, and they better get some diapers because they're leaking. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission and the SEC's sister agency will also play a role. These powers are reportedly set to be outlined in Treasury report to be released early this week. So we could see that there could be some sweeping regulations with regard to who's going to manage and who's going to enforce and control stablecoins. So it looks like Gary Gensler is going to get that job. So Gary got another job from Yellen the Felon. So, the three musketeers, Gary, Yellen the Felon, and the angry granny. Yeah. So, and the draft, so this is just a draft. So let's see what happens, So, Gary's declared war on DeFi right now. And but he's been okay on Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Because he's approved the ETFs. So you got to, it's a checks and balance. But, they don't like stable coins because I think they see it as a bit of a threat if they're going to release their CBDC. Guys, smash the likes. What do you guys think about that? Leave a comment, guys. So Mastercard to enable merchants on its network to offer crypto products and crypto services. So this is pretty bullish, guys. This is very good news. So payments giant Mastercard has partnered with their cryptocurrency exchange to allow its partners and merchants in the U.S. to offer crypto solutions, including buying and selling of holding cryptos. We want to offer all of our partners the ability to more easily add crypto service to whatever they're doing, right? So this is pretty good, guys. So Mastercard and crypto exchange platform Backit. So it's Backit again, right? Backit, they're making some moves, huh? Because they teamed up with Google Play and all of that. So they just want to make it easier and have this interoperability between, fiat credit cards and crypto. So it's going to make it easier because, sometimes you go to buy cryptocurrency with a credit card and you get denied. So it's going to be easier for us to buy cryptos because sometimes I use my credit cards. Some exchanges, yes, you can use it, some not. So Mastercard partners will be able to offer crypto solutions. These include the ability for customers to buy, sell, and hold digital assets through custodial wallets powered by Backit platform and streamlined insurance over branded crypto and debt credit cards. So yeah, okay, that's pretty bullish. So I think there's going to be a time soon when you pay your credit card, you're going to have an option pay in fiat or pay in crypto. So I think that's coming, guys, and we're seeing more and more crypto exchanges like crypto.com and others. They're offering credit cards that are linked to crypto, right? So this is really good. I mean, I have a crypto.com credit card, not shilling, so yeah, it's cool beans, guys. So it's cool. So Binance CEO expects very high volatility in crypto. Here's how to trade it. So, here's how options traders will play the very high volatility. The Binance founder CZ in the house suggested will impact the crypto market over the next few months. Yeah, there's going to be some volatility, right? So volatility is a complex statistical measure commonly used by traders and investors. Those unfamiliar with it will likely attribute to some sort of special standing to analysts whenever they use the term. However, as shown in the recent comment by Binance Exchange CZ, most of the time people are clueless about what volatility means, right? So what is volatility, guys? What is volatility? Come on. So realize that here historical volatility measures how large the daily price fluctuations are, and higher volatility indicates that the price can drastically change over time. You guys should know that, right? The indicator might sound counterintuitive, but low volatility periods represents more significant risk of explosive moves, right? that is partially due to realized volatility being a backward-looking indicator. During quieter periods, traders tend to over leverage, which can cause higher liquidations during sudden price moves. So the above data displays 74% average 50-day volatility over the past 2 years. Historically, the indicator tends to accelerate as it moves above 80%, but there is no guarantee that such a move will occur. So basically volatility, when you guys have low demand, you have a higher volatility in terms of price, right? So that's basically it. So that's what it is. CZ saying it's going to be volatile, but we all know that crypto is pretty volatile, guys. So that's why people classify crypto as high risk, guys. So don't worry about it. It's a nothing burger. Just be careful about that. So we're looking at Harmony right now. Harmony's been really taking off recently. So Harmony's been good. I've been in Harmony for a long time. This is not financial advice. Go down there, smash the likes. And I like Harmony. Harmony is a smart chain. They're using cross-chain sharding to connect different blockchains together. So one hits all-time highs following a series of major partnerships at the launch of a 300 million ecosystem. So there's a whole bunch of reasons why Harmony is now hitting its all-time highs. Now, Harmony traditionally has a big problem with marketing. Their website's been unchanged for years. They're not very good at marketing, and it looks like they're really going to town right now, and they're realizing that marketing needs to happen to draw people to their platform. So they've improved their marketing, and they're doing a whole bunch of things to make that happen. The first thing that they did was Ecosystem Development Fund attracts new talent. So Harmony announced 300 million Ecosystem Development Fund on September 9th, and this appears to have been driving a force behind a rally seen in one coin over the past 2 months. So what's happening is they say the goal of the program is to fund 10,000 more crypto founders, builders, and creators to help strengthen and expand the ecosystem. So with this fund, a lot of people have been able to build DAX and DEXs and other kind of DAOs and stuff on Harmony, and that's given it more utility. So that's been a really positive. So that's been really good. The other thing that's happened is One World Conference. They had this whole big conference in Lisbon, and it attracted a whole bunch of people, and it really got the word out about Harmony's utility, cross sharding, and how to build an ecosystem. So that's been also good, guys. And the third reason is protocol integrations and tokens listen. So a third reason for momentum is One has been in a series of partnerships, including integration with DeFi platforms like Aave and Curve. So this has been really good as well. So those are the three main things. But at the end of the day, by seeding this $300 million, it allowed developers and founders to basically build new applications and DEXs on top of Harmony. So this is given more utility. And then also having protocol integrations with other DeFi projects like Aave and Curve, which are the leading DeFi projects. So you can do staking and liquidity and stuff like that. So this is really cool, guys. So I use Curve as well, liquidity and staking. Yeah, the interface for Curve is really not very nice. It's kind of like very like 1980s kind of interface. It's kind of like DOS kind of interface. It's scary. When I first looked at it, it's like, OMG, this is pretty scary. But at the end of the day, it's okay, guys. But I wouldn't recommend anybody to do it until you're, got a little bit more history under your belt. And you can see right now, if you look at the Harmony price right now, you can see that Harmony over the last year, it's really pumping right now, and Harmony's at 33.83, and that's looking pretty good, guys. And the total market cap is about 4.5 billion right now. It's up like 14%. The volumes are down a little bit, but you're seeing that Harmony is still up, doing pretty good right now. It's up 14% right now. So Harmony overall is looking very, very good. Harmony price 33. Price change was at 40. It was at 42 before. It's come down to price changes. Sorry, it's up 14%. So zero is up 4%, guys. And we've seen a 24 high, 29 and 35. So it's pretty good, guys. And it's ranked 49. So it's not a lightweight. It's been around a long time, and I like it. I mean, I've been in Harmony for a very long time, and so it's something worth considering. This is not financial advice, but I like Harmony for the long term. Harmony is kind of one of these coins that's like a slow creeper, It creeps up slowly. Earlier we'd seen a price around about 21 cents, but we're hitting all-time highs again, so it's looking pretty good. So Harmony's a long-term investment. It's like a Solana. It's a protocol, right? It's like Solana. It's like ADA. It's like Ethereum. It's a smart contract play. So it's something that you guys want to take a look at, and you may want to consider. So this is not financial advice, guys, just to let you know. Some other news that coming out right now: BTC holders reduce spending. Why Bitcoin could get more and more rocket fuel? Well, we can see that right here. That you can see that the Bitcoin ETF right now is trading almost 1 billion total volume today, and currently 933 million, but trade still trickling in. So easily it's the biggest one day of any ETF in terms of natural volume. Is also traded more than 99.5% of all ETFs. So if you look at all the other ETFs, the Bitcoin ETFs are absolutely going to the moon, guys. And this is back from October 20, just FYI. And you can see that the interest in Bitcoin ETFs is insane, guys. And you can see that this is one of the reasons that we're seeing Bitcoin also go uppity up because of these ETFs. And we all knew that the ETFs were going to be rocket fuel, and that was going to help send the markets higher and higher, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in, just to guys and gals to remind you, smash the likes, guys, down there. This is Plan B. I just keep talking about this because we all know that Plan B, he nailed it on August and 47K. He nailed it in September with 43K, and he's predicting 63K for October. I think we could come in higher, guys, the way things are looking right now. It's the 26th of October, and we don't have too long, but I think we're going to be nailing 63K, and I think he's going to be absolutely right with November with 98K and 135K in December, guys. So this is looking pretty good, and Plan B, he's right on the money. I must say, hats off to your Plan B if you're watching. You're doing a great job out there. So this is just from Tech Dev update on the BTC 2-week relative volatility index with a new close. We're about halfway to the 91-98 zone, which is marked every top. So you can see here, if you look at this chart, let me get my face out of the way. You can see that, if we look at the relative strength index, we're about halfway now. Let me just zoom that up. We're about halfway, we're at 64. And when we get to about 91, 93 area, this often indicates the top. So we're about halfway there. And if this happens, we could be looking at a huge impulse to the upside. And he's saying that this could get over to $180,000-$200,000. So we can see this behavior in 2017. We saw the relative strength index go to 91 to 93. We saw it again in 2013, and we saw it again in 2011. So he's saying that we're just over halfway there. So we need to keep an eye on that. And when this starts to get to about 91 to 93, this indicates the top, guys. So we still got some time. A lot of people are saying that the top could be around about December 21st, guys. So what do you guys think? Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Show some love for the OG. And let's take a look at the fear and greed index in the house. Let me just give this a minty refresh. So right now we've gone back up again to extreme greed, and that's because last night the Bitcoin price and everything took off. So let's jump into the market cap right now. Let's jump into market cap right now. So we're at 2.63 trillion. So that's looking pretty good. Where the market cap's heating up, things are going up. We need to get to 2.7, and that will take us to Bitcoin's all-time high previously, guys and gals. And right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is trading at 62.8. So that's not too shabby, guys. And this is on the weekly chart, and we got 5 days and 23 hours left on this weekly candle. I think we're going to have definitely a green candle this week. I wouldn't worry about it. And it looks like on the daily chart, looks like yesterday we went as high as 64K. We gave up a little bit. We gave up about 0.13% on the daily, and it looks like we're going to be retesting all-time highs soon. I think that $66,000 is definitely incoming in the next 48 hours. So keep an eye on that. It's looking pretty. Overall, it's looking pretty good, guys. I'm pretty excited about how things are looking right now, and you guys should be really feeling pretty positive that Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies is making a move to the upside. We do need to see the Bitcoin dominance come down. It's a little bit too high for my liking. It needs to come down. So overall, we're looking pretty good. And on the 4 hours, seeing a bit of a cup and handle pattern, so we could be breaking out the upside. So I think we just need to get past this 64.76 resistance, and I think we're going to get there. 64,763. We're there. It's a matter of we're there. We wouldn't worry about it. And if we look at the Doge right now, Doge is trading at 26.43, and we're just following this trend line all the way up. It's pretty. Doge is it's a slow mover, but I believe we're preparing. Get ready. It's happening. We're going to have a huge breakout to the upside, and we're going to break past 27 cents, and we're going to hit 30 cents. I think it's going to happen before the end of the month. Come on, Doge, giddy up. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu in the house. So Shiba Inu right now, as I said, it was in zone 1. It went sideways for about for almost like 10 days. Now it popped up into zone 3 here. Now it's in zone 2, and it's just going to be, and then we got some resistance around about 42. So it keeps going up and getting rejected. So I think we're going to have a huge breakout soon. Similar to what's going to happen here. We're going to have a breakout to the upside, all the way up top. We're going to get rejected, and then we're going to go all the way down. What's going to happen? We're going to have a huge breakout. It's going to go all the way to the top of here, and that puts us around about 55, right? And then we're going to get rejected at 55, and then we're going to basically go halfway inside this channel, and that's going to be at 48, and we're probably going to go 48, 46, 48, 46, 45. We'll probably stay there for about a week to 10 days, and then we'll have our next leg up. And that leg up will take us from 50 around 52 area to around about 63 area. So that'll be our, so this is phase 1, 2, 3, and then phase 4 will be up here, guys. So right now we've passed 1, we've passed 2, and we're about to get into phase 3, which is going to be an accumulation zone. But we need a huge breakout that will take us all the way up the top. Then we're going to get rejected. Then we're going to go down here. So just keep an eye on the Shiba Inu. I think we're going to see probably another 10 to 30% increase pretty soon. That could be coming soon. So get ready, guys. Shiba Inu could be breaking out soon, guys. Let's take a look at the Ethereum in the house. Now Ethereum has this this triangle pattern, and we've broken out this triangle pattern, and it's looking pretty good right now. Ethereum is at 4,241. I think we could be breaking to the upside. Hopefully we can challenge this 4,390 and get past that soon, and then that will take us to the holy land of $4,600 right here. So hopefully we can get up to that $4,900, the $5,000 area. So that should be pretty coming soon. ADA, once again, it's just doing nothing. It's going sideways. It's boring. I don't even want to talk about it. It's driving me nuts. And we're seeing that right now Solana is doing okay. It's kind of going sideways above 200. So that's a pretty healthy zone. And I think we could see more upside for Solana, and hopefully we can get ourselves up to about the $250 range pretty soon. So let's take a look at the market cap and then jump into the coins. Right now, the total market cap is 2.68. We need to get to 2.7, and the volume's at 86.97, and the Bitcoin dollars is coming down a little bit, so that's good. That's probably going to pump the old coins a little bit, and let's hope that comes down, guys. And right now, Bitcoin is at 63,200 and 62,000. Hello, I'm blind as a bat. 62,789. We're up 1.67%. We're still in positive territory for the week. And the Bitcoin is at 4,220, and that's at up 2.36%. And we're doing pretty good over the 7 days and 30 days. So they're looking pretty good. BNB is up slightly, almost 1%, 484. We need to get BNB above $500. That's kind of like the psychological level. ADA is doing its thing. It's just range bound, 216 now. It's up 1%. It'll probably go back down to like 215 and go back up to 217 and go back down to 215. It's just kind of ranging, right? Between like 218 and 214. Boring. Solana's up 4.65%, so that's pretty good, pretty peachy keen. And that's at $209 in the house. Polkadot is up almost 2%, so that's at 43.89. Doge is down 3.89%, so it gave up a lot of the profits it had yesterday. It's at 26.3127. And right now we're seeing that Solana, Shiba Inu is up almost 4.5%. So giddy up on Shiba Inu. And guys and gals, that's about it. We're seeing that most of the altcoins are up right now. Avalanche is up, so that's looking pretty good. Algorand is up 10%. Matic is up. VED is up. ICP is up 14%. Nice. Atom is up. So you're seeing that a lot of the old coins are starting to pump. Phantom is up, guys. And we're seeing a lot of the coins start to pumpity pump. So everything's looking pretty good, guys, overall. Green everywhere. So that's what we want to see. We want to see a nice green day out there. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to check my portfolio. This is the channel portfolio. We made this live together in-house. And we can see that, remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. This portfolio is only for educational purposes. Only education. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. But, right now we're at 96.67% profit, guys, and that's a total profit of 4,881. We made this portfolio together on a live stream on July 2nd. and we start off with 5K, and now we're at 9,881. So we're almost doubled it, guys. So all the haters out there that don't like the OG and the OG knows nothing. Well, all I gotta say is, because the portfolio speaks for itself, and the numbers don't lie, guys. The data's right there. This portfolio is doing pretty good, guys. It's banging away, so it's looking pretty good. And guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter right now, and go back and watch this video, Doing Only Good Every Day. This is where all the Patreons, all the super chats, all of those things, we take those and give those a charity. You're gonna love it. I love it. So watch it, guys. Watch it. It's a great video. It's a bit of a tearjerker, guys. So get the tissue box ready, because it's gonna make you cry. So we like to support, give back to the community as much as we can, guys. So much love out there. And guys and gals, don't forget to go down there, likey this video, subscribe and comment. I'd appreciate to hear from you. Don't forget to check out all my linky links. That's where you can support us on Patreon, buy the channel coffee, also the links to the merch there. Guys, check out the merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got bags, we got cups, we got the infamous mug to mug. Get the mug to mug. We got backpack, we got the pillow, we even got socks in case you got COVID. Gear up with the OG gear, guys. And one last thing, don't forget to go and check out the wife's channel, Zen Music, chilly willy, relaxing music. Get it while you can, guys. And don't forget to go back and watch all the other videos. Don't miss a beat. Go back there. So God bless each and everyone. This is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house. Giving you some love, giving you some crypto love. And God bless everybody out there. Be positive, spread the good vibe, and be neighborly, hug your wife, kiss your kids, spend some time with your family, and remember, stop looking at your portfolio, stop psyching yourself out, subscribe, smash the likes, do it right now. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!